Hello everybody, Gbenga Olatunji here. What strategic financial management really is what we'll be looking at today. And that means there is another side to it, what strategic financial management is not. So what really is financial management and what it's not? Let's look at what it's not first. Strategic financial management is not financial management. It's bigger and broader than that. It's more futuristic than financial management. And that is what we want to be looking at. And after now, we will then proceed to look at the 3 decisions a financial manager must make. We are on strategic financial management. If you are yet to subscribe, please like, share, comment on GJAMES Associate channel, subscribe, and don't forget to click all as notification so that you will be able to receive timely notification anytime we upload new video.